pag-iisahin ko na lang, meron po bang update sa investigasyon kung sino-sino nga ang tumulong kina Alice Guo na tumakas? What about Wesley Guo? And lastly po, anong posisyon ng executive dun sa reported na swap request ng Indonesian government?
Yes, Madam Chair, good afternoon. Regarding sa investigation as to who helped the Guos, right now po, we're still waiting for the results from the NBI and PAOK. But with regard to the request for possibly prisoner exchange, we have an existing treaty with Indonesia. We could accommodate such requests if formally made. But right now, no such request has been done by Indonesia. So still, these are unverified reports pa po.
All right. Salamat for the update. Lastly, yung kay Wesley Guo, may any sighting? Siya na lang yung huling pinaghahanap pa?
Yes, Madam Sen. Actually, we're still waiting for
NBI
information from PAOK and NBI, Madam Sen.
All right. Salamat, Attorney.
Thank you po.
Salamat, Attorney. So, before the Chair ends my questioning and turns over first of all to Senator JV, I wish to share that the executive session has surfaced a clear link to Mayor Kalugay of Sual, Pangasinan. Kaya I really hope that the good mayor will make himself available when he is called. Wag po sanang bigla kayong umalis sa bansa, Mayor. All right. So now...
And having said
yes,
that, Madam Chair,
Joel.
please forgive me for reiterating this plea and appeal to all our government authorities. Napakasakit po isipin na ang isang fugitive sa Pilipinas mahuhuli lamang pag lumabas ng bansa dahil napakadali lumabas ng bansa. Let it be a lesson to our PNP, Coast Guards, Bureau of Immigration, at iba pang mga government agencies, because this is not something we should all be proud of. Nakakahiya po tayo. Sampal po sa ating lahat ito. And binabanggit ngayon ni Sen. Risa, marami na ho kaming nakukuhang informasyon, ang committee na ito, ang Senado, and ayaw naman namin na ma-delay na naman dahil makakaalis na naman ng bansa easily at sasabihin na naman na hindi alam na sila ay mga persons of interest. Salamat po, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Sen. Joel.